Good morning. It's Monday and I've just finished my live painting, the first live one I've done since this year. It's my first one. Yeah, so you would have seen that, and if you want to see me paint it, go and look. I'll put a link up if I can remember. And studio, still a mess. I don't know where anything is. I'm going to sort it out today. She says, maybe. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, watercolour Wednesday. But look at the beautiful sky. It's a bit moody over there, but look at the pink. So pretty. Do you like my Crocs? My son bought them for me for Christmas. They're nice, aren't they? And they've got faux bits inside. Ooh. Studio shoes and gardening shoes, but they're too nice to garden in. They match my painting I did this morning. Yeah, look at the mess so far. That's me just done my live. And this is I've still got to sort all this out because I don't know where anything is really. It's all over a mess. It's all a mess. Look at all this. This is all my jewellery stuff. I want to make some more jewellery because I like enamelling. I want to sort this out, and this basket's full of jewellery tools, and that doesn't really need to be there. You know, look. I will do a nice tour when I've finished and sorted everything out. And this is like MITSI's corner, and I've got a massive canvas there, and I want to start painting. And that's the view. You might have seen this the other day, last vlog. I still keep adding bits to it. What I hate about oil paint is it doesn't dry ever. Just like it's been there. Oh no, this bit's dry. My nail varnish matches. Yeah, it's still really wet. But it does mean you can move the paint around for longer. Look at her blue finger. It's nice. And you can just, I don't know if I liked that. It's like too tight for me. I like watercolour and flowers, so you can just like put the colours in and let the colours do what they want to do, and it paints for you. Good evening. Look at the pretty sky. We have pretty morning skies, and now we've got pretty evening skies. It's 3:30, I think. Something like that. 4 o'clock maybe. The washing line's in the way. How pretty it is. Pretty. So pretty. With the blackbirds. It's my house. With pretty sky behind it. Yeah. I've got this painting and I've started painting over it, but I don't know. I did this a while ago and then I painted over it because I didn't like it, and now I still don't like what I'm doing, so I'm going to paint over it completely. Everything and everything. Yeah, my studio is still a mess. Well, it's not a mess, it's just that everything's not in its right place. Like most of my painting stuff's over there, and I've decided to paint over here, if that makes sense. I don't know. Just having lunch. Cyril likes cheese. It's so sunny and lovely, and the birds are singing, and I'm sitting in my little porchy place having lunch, aren't we, Cyril? Really out, so I've got the log burner going, getting through the wood. There's more to be chopped. My decorations have come down now, but I've taken off the baubles, but I've decided I'm going to find things to hang on there for springtime, like flowers and things. I thought it might look nice. Anyway, that's the plans. Look at the fire. Okay, this is the first time I've painted for ages, and I've been inspired. I've been looking at Maud Lewis's work. Go and look if you don't know who she is. I liked her kiddie painting, and I started this because you know I like painting crazy cats. And I don't know, that's my leftover paint. I don't like wasting paint, so I scrape it off with that, stick it on there. This is my new little area to paint with. I think I've got more space to stand back and go, that looks shit. I don't know. I'm like that. I've forgotten how to paint. Well, I haven't been feeling it. I always get to the stage where I don't like it, and this is the stage I don't like it. West Auckland problems. Tractors. Tractor meet-up, I think. I'm not quite sure what's going on. Sounds like they're having a meet-up. There's like young kids. I think they're just showing off their tractors.